Well, the Prime Minister finally broke his silence when he met a group of editors on Wednesday. While his off-camera interaction became a much-talked-about event, the BJP was not impressed, in fact calling the Prime Minister camera shy. Union Information and Broadcast Minister Ambika Soni, while talking to NDTV's Barkha Dutt on the Buck Stops Here, countered the charge that the Prime Minister didn't speak often, also advising the BJP chief to become camera shy himself.
The BJP spokesperson has called the Prime Minister camera shy. This is a Prime Minister who's never given an interview to an Indian journalist in both of his tenures. And I know this is not about journalists, this is about the people of India. But still, would you like to respond to the BJP's question? Why not televise this interaction if, after all, it was to correct public perception or make some amendments in that relationship?
No, it's not only a question of correcting the perception. I think Prime Minister does speak as often as he wants to speak. He has. Even recently there was an annual function of a regional newspaper, and on the side he did answer questions of journalists on most of these topics, whether it was of Lokpal or this interaction with members of civil society. He did.
Okay, but I mean, you know, many people would say, Ms. Ambika Soni, that in many other countries of the world, it's routine for prime ministers and presidents to drop by on the sets of television programs. Some of them have online accounts. There's a much more informal approach to political interaction with their constituents. Don't you think it's time, in a sense, as India's voting base becomes younger, for a more informal, direct style of politics?
Yes, Indian politicians are changing. Lots of our politicians now are on Twitter, Facebook, blogs. We are changing. As far as the BJP is concerned, don't you think they would like their president to be a bit media shy? I don't recall when I was the president of the District Congress Committee having had the tone and tenor of their national president.
So
don't you think they would like some of their leaders to be a bit more media savvy and media shy, instead of taking each other on publicly on Twitter, Facebook and everywhere else? So please, let's not compare with political leaders of other political parties. Dr. Manmohan Singh has his own style.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.